Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to file your taxes on TaxAct Online. At first, open any browser, search for TaxAct. Next, log into your TaxAct account. From the homepage, scroll down to Help and Support section. Select Contact Us from there. This will take you to the customer service page. From here, select Phone Support to talk to a representative. Tell the customer service agent that you want to file your taxes on TaxAct Online. They will guide you through the process, give them appropriate information. Before submitting, check all that information is correct, then submit it. After filing, you will receive a confirmation email that tax return was submitted. That was all. Thanks for watching.